Loki, hold still. She's like 3 times the size he was. Do you want the treat or not? I think he was climbing your shirt again. He's smelling your hand for the treat. He's so cute. Move your hands so I can see. What's that belly? What's that already? It's just so cute how they eat and he's staring at the camera. He's like,
You like that? You like that?